If you don't want to poop in the rain, raise your paw. If you don't want to poop in the rain, raise your paw. If the ground is really soggy and you don't want to go potty, if you don't want to poop in the rain, raise your paw.
Look at his little paws.
Welcome back, dog lovers. These dogs are bringing hilarious moments, adorable reactions, and I'll also share fun dog facts you probably didn't know before today.
This is your daily dose of dogs.
Henry.
And then what?
What you doing, Blaze? How you get there? How this happen? How? Cause you was trying to do something that you ain't had no business doing. Come here. Lift your paws up. That's cause you was absolutely doing some shit you was not supposed to be doing.
Are you cute? Are you cute? Oh my goodness. Are you cute? Oh! Are you cute? Oh, that's a good down. I like that. Are you cute?
One fact about dogs you don't know. Dogs can recognize familiar scents even after years apart, allowing them to remember people or places long after last contact.
It's just a ball, Butcher. Butcher, it's not going to do anything to you. It's not going to do anything. It is just a ball of air and plastic. Butcher. Butcher, it's just a ball. It's okay.
Robin, are you scared of thunder? No. What about Robin? Robin, you scared of fireworks? No. Garbage bags? Frightened.
Are you my baby? Finley, are you my baby? Huh? Are you mommy's baby? I love you. I love you. You're so silly. You're so silly. Come here. Kisses. Kisses.
What do you want? You want to go to bed, buddy? Colty, do you want to go to bed, buddy? Woody, you want to go to bed, buddy? Colty, you want to go to bed, buddy? Morty, you want to go to bed, buddy? Colty, you want to go to bed, buddy?
Riley. No dogs on the bed. Off. 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 Gotta get off the bed. Off.
Another fact about dogs you don't know. Dogs can detect slight changes in your routine, like waking up earlier or moving differently, and will often react or become curious immediately.
Look, he likes to have a taste of leg every once in a while.
But
Don't speak.
CD
Just
changers were an important thing at the time.
Man, CD changers, that's a silly invention. Let's just slang these big old CDs, slang it back and forth. You gotta slang that CD, Max. Look, he's so tired of us. Did you hear that? He said, yep. Max, are you tired of us? Do you want to go live somewhere else at someone else's home? Do you want to go away from here? He is considering it. Oh.
I mean, that is perfect. Look how perfect that is.
Look at the ravioli. You look so handsome.
Come here.
That is, I do not even know how
I mean,
she made that.
that's amazing. You should open a store. You should open a store.
We're going to send her a little thank you. Not just a video thank you, but I'm going to send you a little thank you in the mail too, because
That is
this
amazing.
is the only outfit he has now. The only one, and probably the only one he'll ever have.
What do you think it looks like on them? You did great work. I think it looks awesome
it's
on them.
wonderful. Is that comfortable? Do you like that?
It's not pulley. It fits really good.
Yeah, it's like perfect.
It's perfect.
Wow. Back up. Back up. Whoa. Are you hungry? Come here. Is it? Are you, that is not sitting. But is it? Why are you so mad? Can you be a good girl? You said oh, that's a no. Can you back up? Back up. Can you back up without sass? Or just spin? Twig, twig. The drama. It's too much. Yes. Can you put it there? Yes, good girl. Can you spin? Can you be good girl? Oh, don't you look away. What are you doing? Why are you chasing me? Good girl. I don't understand. Good girl. You gotta wait. Wait. Come here. Now sit. Okay, go get your food. Blue, listen to me, okay? Mummy's just gotta run out for a quick 10 minutes. We're testing your independence, right? Mummy doesn't leave you for very long, and she hasn't left you alone for even 3 minutes yet. In years, since we made our first video. So, do you think that we could test a 10-minute by yourself bully moment? Do you think we could do that? Blue. Are you gonna go in your bed? Let me see. You gonna go in your bed? Okay, why don't you sit in your bed? Mommy will be back in 10 minutes. I want you to be...
One more fact about dogs you don't know. Dogs can recognize when something is unusual in their environment, even if they've never seen it before. They compare new situations to what they're used to and react based on differences. This is why a dog may bark at a familiar object that has been moved or changed. Their brain constantly analyzes patterns, helping them stay alert and adapt quickly to changes around them.